Today we start with a chapter that is the reproduction in flowering plant. First of all, what is a reproduction? Reproduction is the ability of living beings to give birth similar to themselves. Reproduction in case of flowering plant, first it is a sexual reproduction. Second, flowering plants are called angiosperm. Sexual reproduction which involves the sex cells. Sex cells means gametes. There are the two gametes. One is the male gamete. Second is the female gamete. Male gamete is also haploid, female gamete is also haploid. It results in the fertilization. Fertilization results in the formation of zygote. Zygote is the diploid, and this zygote undergo the division and forms the embryo. Embryo is also diploid. This embryo is differentiated in case of plant and animals in different structures. Embryo results in the formation of seed in case of plant. Embryo results in the formation of organism in case of animals. It means seed is also diploid. The male gamete and female gamete result in the formation of zygote. After fertilization, it gets converted into the embryo, and embryo converted into the seed in case of the plant and organism in case of the animal. The process of converting the zygote into embryo in case of plant cell, it is called embryogeny. But in case of animal, it is called cleavage. Angiosperms are called flowering plant. The flower is the modified shoot, modified condensed shoot. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता जब प्लांट ग्रो कर रहा है वो स्टार्टिंग में ही फ्लावर बनाए। फ्लावर बनाने से पहले वो क्या करता है, अपनी वेजिटेटिव ग्रोथ करता है। कौन सी ग्रोथ कर रहा है ये? वेजिटेटिव ग्रोथ। जब वेजिटेटिव ग्रोथ हो गई तो प्लांट में पहले तो आपको पता है रूट बनता है। रूट पे फिर क्या बनती है? स्टेम। स्टेम जब अपने ऊपर बियर कर लेता है किसको? लीव्स को। और लीव्स जब बियर हो जाते हैं इसके ऊपर ये कन्वर्ट किस में हो जाता है? शूट। और यही शूट हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? फ्लावर। यानी कि फ्लावर बनने से पहले जो ग्रोथ हुई वो कौन सी थी? वेजिटेटिव ग्रोथ। वेजिटेटिव ग्रोथ में रूट और स्टेम और लीफ भी बने। जैसे एक स्टेम में जहां से लीफ अराइज होता है उस पॉइंट को हम क्या बोलते हैं? नोड बोलते हैं। नोड्स यानी कि ये पॉइंट क्या है? नोड। दो नोड के बीच की डिस्टेंस को हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? इंटरनोड। और ये हमारे क्या है? फ्लावर बनता है आपका तब इसे बोलते हैं कंडेंस्ड शूट। इट मींस जब इट इज कॉल्ड मॉडिफाइड शूट, इट bears 4 leaves. When they are become condensed like this, जब ये कंडेंस हो जाएगा तो ये वाली नोड्स कहाँ आ जाएंगी? पास पास आ जाएंगी। और पास पास आ जाएंगी, इट रिजल्ट इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ फ्लावर। फ्लावर इज कॉल्ड मॉडिफाइड शूट बिकॉज इट अराइज इन द एग्जाइल ऑफ स्मॉल लीफ called bracket. Now flower is a modified shoot, and what is the structure flower. अब देखो, before discussing the structure of flower, here the vegetative growth only. It results in the formation of flower. Before the formation of flower, first it results in the formation of flower primordia. Flower primordia result in the formation of bud, and this bud, when it undergoes the change, it result in the formation of flower. Flower contain two reproductive part, that is the essential part is the male and female. Male is called androecium, female is called guanocium. यानी कि क्या है, फ्लावर प्राइमोरिया फ्लावर बना है, और ये इवेंट जो आपके हो रहे हैं कब हो रहे हैं, बिफोर फर्टिलाइजेशन. दीज आर कॉल्ड प्री फर्टिलाइजेशन इवेंट्स. प्री फर्टिलाइजेशन इवेंट्स यानी कि बिफोर फर्टिलाइजेशन. फ्लावर प्राइमोरिया व्हेन इट कन्वर्टेड इनटू द बर्ड, देयर इज द रोल ऑफ हार्मोन्स. Due to these hormones, mostly a hormone, it is called florism hormone. It results in the formation of a flower. Due to this hormone, various structural changes take place in the primordia. It results in the formation of flower. Now the detailed structure of a flower. The flower has a stalk-like structure. The stalk-like structure of a flower, it is called pedicel. First, it is the base of a flower, from where all the leaves are arranged, यानी कि 4 leaves. It is called thalamus. It is called thalamus. This stalk-like structure is called pedicel. Pedicel is also called stalk. Thalamus is also called base. From the base of flower, first the outermost structure is present. Outermost whorl is present. This outermost whorl is called leaf. Leaf-like. This outermost whorl is leaf-like. It is called sepal. Sepal is individual. Collectively, these are called calyx. These are the green in color. These are the green in color, helping protection. Inner to the sepal, there is a colored part. Inner to the sepal, there is a colored part present in the flower. It is called petals. It is called petals. ये inner to है कहाँ? सेपल के. पेटल्स कैसा पार्ट है? कलर्ड पार्ट. डिफरेंट फ्लावर्स आपको डिफरेंट कलर के नजर आते हैं, वो किसकी वजह से? ड्यू टू पेटल्स. इट इज द कलर्ड एंड सेंटेड पार्ट. फ्रेगनेंस हो सकती है, मे बी इट इज आपकी क्या रीजन या पाउडर. इट हेल्प इन द पोलिनेशन. सेकंड, प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ इनर पार्ट. Protection of inner whorl. It is the outer whorl. It is inner to sepal petal. It is the it forms outer whorl. Sepal and petals. They have no any role in the reproduction. They are called accessory parts. Accessory, helping, strile, ये कौन से पर्ल है? आउटर वर्ल. No role in the reproduction. But the important part of a flower is which is lies center to the and it is attached with the thalamus. This part. This is the female part. In addition to these, there are the numerous other structures are present which are attached with the thalamus. Is called male part. This is the male part. Male part is called stamen. Stamen is also called androecium. Inner to the petal there is present is the stamen. The stamen is consist of two parts. One, it has the knob-like part. It is called anther. Second, it has the stalk-like part. It is called filament. Anther is a fertile knob-like part. This is the fertile and knob-like part. It contains microspongia. And filament is the stalk-like part, stalk or slender part. और ये पार्ट कैसा है? सर्टाइल है. स्ट्राइल है यानी इसका कोई रोल नहीं है. दिस पार्ट इज अटैच्ड विद द थैलेमस. इट इज द अटैच्ड proximally and anther is the distally. यानी डिस्टली पार्ट कहें तो कौन सा है? एंथर. और प्रॉक्सिमली इट इज अटैच्ड विद द थैलेमस. और ये जो थैलेमस है ये प्रॉक्सिमली अटैच है. दिस क्वेश्चन इज इंपॉर्टेंट. इट आल्सो कम इन द नीट क्वेश्चन. आल्सो इट इज नीट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. हाउ फिलामेंट इज अटैच्ड टू थैलेमस proximally. In addition to thalamus, sometimes it is also attached with the petals. The innermost word of a flower, which is called, that is the carpel. Carpel is also called pistil part. It is also called guanocium. This guanocium is consist of three parts. Three part of which are, one is the stigma part. This one, stigma. Second part is called style. Third part is the basal and swollen part. It is called ovary. Stigma is the receptive part. ये रिसीव करता है किसको? रिसेप्टिव पार्ट. It is the basal part. Basal swollen part. Style help in the middle part. Help in the connection of stigma with the ovary. Ovary contain ovule. Ovary contain ovule and ovule contain embryo cell. Ovary is the fertile part, helping the formation of female gamete. The flow of the ovary is, ovary contain ovule, ovule contain nucellus, nucellus contain embryo sac, embryo sac contain ova. This is the flow for ovary in case of the plant. Ovary help in the formation of fruit after fertilization. Ovule help in the formation of seed after fertilization. One is a part is called, that is a sepal. Second is a petal. It result in the formation of the outer wall, not help in the formation of reproductive cells, that is the gamete. But stamen is the male part, carpel is the female part. This is the female part. And stamen, it is called male part. These are forms the inner wall, helping the reproduction. These are also called essential part. Yani essential word. These are the nothing, but these are the leaves which help in the reproduction. This is regarding the structure of a flowering plant. This diagram of the flower is the LS section. LS of a flower. It means the structure is taken when flower is cut lengthwise. It is called longitudinal section.